It was exciting to have Jeff Yalden here today with us at FD Roosevelt High School in Hyde Park, New York. Jeff was able to really get across a number of points to our kids. Particularly interesting with Jeff is his ability to meet the students where they're at and make them feel like they're valued. At times, his presentation is one that the kids feel is real. They feel it's real throughout. It's one of those things that he meets them where they're at. He comes with great enthusiasm, great excitement, and caring for our students. And today it was outstanding. I spoke with a lot of students afterwards. They felt encouraged, they felt inspired, they felt like they had methods and plans to be able to move forward to help them out. They felt like they were valued by the speaker. Sometimes we'll have a speaker that'll come in and it feels rote. It didn't feel rote with Jeff. Jeff came impassioned and he empowered our students. We were really excited to have Jeff at FD Roosevelt High School.